Hey everyone, let's talk websites. It's 2024. Having a website isn't just cool, it's crucial. Think of it like your online home. It's where people meet you, learn about you, and even buy from you. No matter how small your business or how unique your passion, a website makes you real in the digital world. Remember the yellow pages? Nobody uses those anymore. Today, people Google everything. If you're not online, you're invisible. And being invisible is no good for business, right? A website is your key to unlocking all the internet offers. Imagine this. You're a fantastic baker. You make the best cupcakes in town. But you don't have a website. People who haven't tasted your cupcakes have no way of knowing you exist. A website lets you show off those delicious creations. So, whether you're a cupcake connoisseur or a tech genius, trust me, you need a website. It's your digital handshake with the world. And who knows, it might just be the best decision you ever make for your business. Okay, let's get real for a second. Not having a website? It's like trying to sell your amazing cupcakes in a dark alley. People might stumble upon you, but it won't be easy. You're missing out on a whole lot of potential customers. First off, no online presence equals limited reach. Your business is confined to people who physically know you. That's like trying to fill a concert hall with only your family and friends. A website breaks down those walls and lets the world in. Second, credibility takes a hit. In the digital age, people check websites for legitimacy. No website? They might question if you're even a real business. It's like showing up to a date without brushing your teeth. Not a good first impression. Finally, marketing becomes a real struggle. You're stuck with old school methods like flyers and word of mouth. A website gives you the power of digital marketing, reaching the right people at the right time. So, while going website free might seem easier, it's actually holding you back. Don't let your business be the best kept secret. Get online and let the world know what you're all about. Think of a website as your very own digital store. It's open 24/7, 365 days a year. No need for coffee breaks, lunch hours, or vacations. Your website is always there, ready to greet customers from around the globe. Imagine this. It's 3 a.m., and someone in a different time zone is craving information about your products. With a website, they can browse at their leisure, no matter the hour. It's like having a tireless salesperson working for you around the clock. But it's not just about being available. A website lets you showcase your products or services in a visually appealing way. High-quality images, engaging descriptions, customer testimonials. It's all there at your fingertips. And the best part? You control the narrative. You decide what information is front and center. It's like having your own personal billboard in the digital world. So ditch the limitations of a physical store, embrace the power of a website, and let your business shine day and night. Okay, let's talk trust. In the online world, it's everything. People are hesitant to hand over their hard-earned money to businesses they don't trust. That's where a website comes in, acting as your digital seal of approval. Think about it. When you're researching a product or service, what's the first thing you do? You Google it. And what do you look for? A professional-looking website. It's like checking if a restaurant has good hygiene ratings before you eat there. A well-designed website instantly boosts your credibility. It shows you're serious about your business. You've invested time and effort in creating a professional online presence. That speaks volumes to potential customers. But it's not just about looks. A website lets you share your story, your values, and your commitment to customer satisfaction. It's a chance to connect with your audience on a deeper level and build trust over time. So remember, a website isn't just a pretty face. It's a powerful tool for building credibility and establishing your business as a trustworthy entity in the digital world. Section 5. Showcasing your expertise. Websites as portfolios and knowledge hubs. A website isn't just about selling. It's also about sharing your expertise with the world. Think of it as your online portfolio, a place to showcase your skills, knowledge, and accomplishments. Let's say you're a freelance writer. A website lets you create a portfolio of your best work, complete with client testimonials and case studies. It's like having a digital resume that speaks volumes about your abilities. Or maybe you're a consultant with years of experience in a particular field. You can use your website to share valuable insights, tips, and advice through blog posts, articles, and even videos. By positioning yourself as a thought leader in your industry, you attract potential clients who are actively seeking your expertise. It's like becoming the go-to resource for information in your niche. So don't underestimate the power of a website as a platform for knowledge sharing. It's a fantastic way to establish your authority, attract clients, and grow your business organically. Section 6. Marketing on Autopilot, reaching customers online. Let's talk marketing, shall we? Gone are the days of relying solely on print ads and cold calls. In the digital age, it's all about reaching your target audience, where they spend most of their time, online. A website is the heart of your online marketing efforts. It's the central hub where all your digital marketing channels converge, from social media to email marketing and beyond. Think of it this way. Your website is like a fishing net cast wide in the vast ocean of the internet. Every piece of content you create, every social media post you share, every email you send, it all leads back to your website. And the beauty of it all? Once you've set up your website and optimized it for search engines, it works for you 24/7, attracting potential customers even while you sleep. It's like having a marketing team working tirelessly behind the scenes. So, say goodbye to outdated marketing tactics and embrace the power of a website to reach your ideal customers online, effortlessly and effectively. Section 7. Websites, your ticket to global reach. Remember those walls we talked about earlier? The ones that limit your reach to your local area? Well, a website smashes those walls down, giving you access to a global audience. Think about it. With a website, anyone in the world with an internet connection can find you, learn about your products or services, and even make a purchase. It's like opening a shop on the busiest street in the world, but without the geographical limitations. Imagine this. You're a handmade jewelry maker, based in a small town. Without a website, your customer base is limited to people who physically visit your shop. But with a website, you can sell your creations to jewelry lovers all over the world. Of course, expanding your reach globally requires careful planning and execution. But a website is the essential first step, opening up a world of possibilities for your business. So, don't limit yourself to your local market. Embrace the power of a website and take your business global. Section 8. Level Up. Why a website is your key to success. So there you have it. We've covered a lot of ground, from building trust and showcasing expertise, to marketing on autopilot and reaching a global audience. But the underlying message is clear. A website is essential for success in today's digital world. It's no longer a nice-to-have, it's a must-have. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, an artist, or anyone with a passion to share, a website is your key to unlocking endless possibilities. So, what are you waiting for? Take the plunge and create your own corner of the internet. You won't regret it.